How to buy Akatsuki in Crypto Miner Tycoon. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Akatsuki in Crypto Miner Tycoon.
First, open your game and make sure you've progressed enough to unlock mid to high tier characters. Akatsuki is a premium character, so before anything else, check your in-game currency, especially coins, gems, or any other premium tokens. Once you have enough, go to the in-game shop. This can usually be found on the main interface or under the upgrades or characters tab. Browse through the list of available characters until you find Akatsuki. If it's locked, check the unlock conditions. This could be tied to your minor level, game progress, or previous purchases. Once it's available, select Akatsuki and you'll see the cost and description. Confirm the purchase using your in-game resources. If the game offers a real money payment method, make sure to double check your payment settings. After purchase, Akatsuki will appear in your roster, and you can now deploy or upgrade the character for your mining boosts. Keep an eye on any special skills Akatsuki offers, which can help you speed up your tycoon's progress. And that's how you buy Akatsuki in Crypto Miner Tycoon.